Unit 8, Emergency Procedures. Lesson 2, Fire Emergencies and Evacuation Procedures. By the end of today's lesson, inshallah, you will be able to recognize fire extinguishers with different color-coded panels, identify the content and functions of different kinds of extinguishers, and finally pronounce the new words correctly. Fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are red with color-coded panels. These color-coded panels tell the type of fire extinguisher, the content, and the type of fire that it is used for. Types of fire extinguishers. There are 5 different types of fire extinguishers. They carry different color-coded panels, including red, cream, blue, black, and yellow. Each color represents a different type of extinguisher used on different types of fire. Let's begin with the red labeled extinguishers. The main content of this kind of extinguishers is water. They are the most common extinguishers for Class A fires, and they carry the original signal red color label. They are mainly used for fires caused by solid materials such as paper, wood, fabrics, and textiles. However, we must not use them on fires caused by electrical equipment, kitchen fires, flammable gases, and liquids. The cream labeled extinguishers. The main content of this kind of extinguishers is foam. They are the most common type of fire extinguishers for Class B fires. They're mainly used on fires caused by petrol, oil, fats, and paint. The black labeled extinguishers. The main content for this kind of extinguishers is CO2 or carbon dioxide. They have black labels and they are mainly used for electrical fires, although they are also usually the main type of extinguisher used in computer server rooms. They are mainly used to distinguish fires caused by electrical equipment. However, we must not use them in confined places as they might cause suffocation. They must be used in well-ventilated areas. The blue labeled extinguishers. Fire extinguishers with a blue color code contains dry powder, and they are multi-purpose extinguishers which can be found in many different risk environments. They are mainly used on fires caused by liquids, gases, electrical equipment. The yellow labeled extinguishers. The main content of this kind of extinguishers is a wet chemical, and they are typically suited to kitchen environments. This means that they are used on fires caused by cooking fats. However, we must not use them on fires caused by electrical equipment, flammable metals, flammable gases, and liquids. Okay guys, let's do this exercise together. Match the pictures with the content of the fire extinguishers. Let's read the contents first. Water, foam, carbon dioxide, dry powder, wet chemical. Okay, let's begin with water. Water will go with this picture. Excellent. Number 2, foam. It will go with the fire extinguisher carrying the cream label. Number 3, carbon dioxide. Excellent. It will go with the black labeled one. Number 4, the dry powder with the blue labeled one. And finally, the wet chemical with the yellow labeled extinguisher. The next exercise. Match the color with the main use of the extinguisher. Let's begin with the black one. The black one will go with, excellent, fires caused by electrical equipment. The yellow one, cooking fats. The cream, petrol, oil, fats, and paints. The red one with wood, paper, and fabrics. And finally, the blue one with liquids, gases, electrical equipment. This is our last exercise for today. Let's pronounce the words we have studied together. Number 1, foam, foam, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, wet chemicals, wet chemicals, dry powder, dry powder, electrical fires, electrical fires, electric shock, electric shock. This part of the lesson is independent learning. You will have to study the information on the PPT slide again and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the 5 different types of fire extinguishers. Number 2. What's the main content of each type? And finally, what's the main use of each type? That's all for today, and see you in another lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.